You search best tasting instant coffee and everything looks the same packaging, same claims, same boring flavor. But here's the thing, not all instant coffee is created equal, even if they cost way different amounts. Some are cheap and bitter, others expensive but still taste like burnt cardboard. So which ones actually deliver on that promise of convenience and flavor? That's what we're figuring out today. Product number 1, Maxwell House Original. First up is Maxwell House Original Roast Instant Coffee in an 8 Oz jar for $7.47. This one's been around forever. Classic American brand, super affordable, and honestly, it's what you'd grab when you need a quick cup but don't want to spend much. It uses regular instant granules, mixes easily with hot water, and gives you a basic coffee experience without any fancy frills. If you want something simple, cheap, and functional, this checks those boxes. The roast level is light to medium, so it won't blow your mind, but it's drinkable. Over 9,000 people bought it last month, which tells me it's popular for a reason: convenience. However, I've read reviews where people complain it tastes flat or watery unless you use more than recommended. Also, since there are 0 reviews listed right now, it's hard to tell if recent batches improved or if this is just the standard formula. Still worth trying if you're on a tight budget and need something reliable in a pinch. Product number 2, Nescafé Clásico Colombia. Next is Nescafé Clásico Instant Coffee, medium roast from Colombia, sold in a 6 Oz jar for $9.24. Nescafé is practically the king of instant coffee worldwide, and this version aims for a smoother, slightly richer profile thanks to its Colombian beans. It's still a traditional granule format, just stir into hot water and go. With over 6,000 units sold monthly, it shows demand, especially among folks who have had bad experiences with cheap instant brews. But here's the catch. While some reviewers praise its clean taste and lack of bitterness, others note it can be weak unless you double up the scoops. Plus, the small jar size means you'll be refilling often, which might make the per cup cost add up faster than expected. If you're okay paying a bit more for a recognizable brand and decent flavor without going gourmet, this is a solid middle ground. Product number 3, Illy Intenso Dark Roast. Now we're stepping into premium territory with Illy Intenso Dark Roast Instant Coffee, 100% Arabica from Italy, priced at $13.49 in a 3.3 Oz container. Unlike the first 2 options, Illy focuses heavily on quality sourcing. They say they only use the top 1% of Arabica beans, roasted slowly in Italy, and designed to replicate a true espresso-like experience in instant form. The dark roast brings warm notes of cocoa and dried fruit, which sounds almost too good to be true for instant coffee. Preparation is straightforward, 2 teaspoons per cup non-boiling water, but the result feels noticeably fuller and more complex than typical instant brands. Over 2,000 buyers last month suggests a niche but loyal audience willing to pay extra for perceived quality. That said, several customers mention it's quite strong, almost bitter if you're used to milder brews, and the tiny jar means you'll run through it fast. Also, at over $13 for less than 4 ounces, this isn't exactly budget-friendly. If you value craftsmanship, enjoy bold flavors, and don't mind spending more per cup, this delivers where others fall short. But skip it if you prefer light, milky, or low-acid coffees. Product number 4, Starbucks via French Roast. Let's talk about the big gun. Starbucks via Instant French Roast in a box of 50 packets for $33.62. Yes, that's about 67 cents per single-serve pod, way pricier than bulk jars. But Starbucks has built its reputation on consistency and recognizable taste, and this one tries to bring that cafe-quality experience home instantly. Pour hot water, stir, and you get something that actually tastes close to what you'd sip at a Starbucks counter, minus the weight and markup. With 2,000+ monthly sales, it proves there's real interest in premium instant formats. However, many users point out it's extremely strong and bitter by default, requiring dilution to suit personal taste. Others find the plastic packets messy and wasteful compared to reusable containers. And let's be honest, $33 for 50 servings adds up quickly. This isn't ideal if you drink multiple cups daily. Perfect for travelers, office workers needing portable coffee, or anyone who misses Starbucks at home and doesn't mind shelling out. Not great if you're looking for economical, everyday brewing. Product number 5, Nescafé Taster's Choice Hazelnut. Finally, we have Nescafé Taster's Choice Hazelnut, a limited flavor instant blend in packs of 16 8-packs total for $33.08. This one flips the script by offering flavored instant coffee, specifically hazelnut, aiming to recreate specialty cafe drinks at home. Over 1,000 purchases last month indicate curiosity around flavored instant options, especially among younger consumers or those wanting variety. The trade-off? Like the Starbucks Via, it's pricey per serving, over 20 cents each, and the hazelnut flavor can dominate so much it masks any coffee character. Some reviewers also say it clumps if stored improperly, reducing convenience. Skip it if you strictly want pure, unsweetened coffee or prioritize cost efficiency over novelty. So which instant coffee actually works? For budget-friendly basics, Maxwell House does fine. For a step-up, Nescafé Classico hits the mark. If you're ready to splurge on flavor complexity, Illy delivers impressively. Need cafe-quality portability, Starbucks Via gets the job done if you're okay with bitterness. And if you want fun flavors, Taster's Choice Hazelnut adds sweetness. None are perfect, but each serves a different need.